koutou. Hi, my name is Kaylee.
And more ata Winton School, I'm Kate. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 9th of February.
We start the week with sports news. All touch forms and money is due in the office today.
That's right, no late entries, so if you've forgotten, you better be quick after school.
And sports equipment from the trolleys must be returned at the end of every playtime and lunchtime. Kia ora.
Okay, Year 5 to 8 want a game of t-ball at lunchtime, being on the big field at 12:45 p.m, St Thomas's End.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is iPapa. iPapa is te reo for iPad.
SunHat news. All students have had enough time to find and wash their SunHats, and they are part of the uniform for the whole term.
Anyone not wearing a SunHat at playtime and lunchtime will be in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
And a friendly reminder about your HI VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Book club news. Please hand your orders into Mrs. Reid by Friday.
Remember, the more books we buy, the more free books the library gets.
And the last news for the day, a health and safety reminder about walking bikes and scooters in the school grounds.
Lots of students are biking and scootering when the weather is good. Please walk your vehicles through school.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.